Saturday, the 2nd of June 2018, and today is 22 days before Sunday, 24th of June 2018. Interesting because Daniel and Samuel are the 12-year-old identical twins in Red Rain by R.L. Stine. 2 12s are 24. Jacob Wetterling died aged 11. 2 times 11 equals 22. So this is a prophecy about twins. Bad face, Arab, eel, I'm Lee. Lee was the name of one of the hurricanes last year in the Atlantic. And Lee was at the same time as Jose and Maria. By the way, it's 9:57 p.m, Saturday, 2nd of June 2018. That is the current time in Sydney, New South Wales. And 57 is the value of the word daffodil. Daffodil equals 57. And if we have a little look at the weather, let's see. 2-4. 8-3. Psychic equals 83. And Nathan was 13 years old. Nathan was born on the 24th. His mirror boy, who is also Jake's mirror boy, is 15. Symbolic equals 98. Jacob Wetterling equals 164. Serpent equals 97. Hurricane equals 97. God equals 26. Spell God backward, you get dog. And Jake Wetterling had a pet dog named Marcus. Australia had a cyclone this year named Marcus, and it hit Darwin. Then went on to become the strongest tropical cyclone in Australian waters in a decade. So that was Marcus. Weather maps. We have a pretty strong low pressure system right now, which is causing some problems. Caused some big problems with a cargo ship last night, losing 83 shipping containers overboard. So yeah, that's the current weather map for 2nd of June. And a pretty big weather system, but it's still very dry across Australia at the moment. Still in drought. It's been quite an intense drought, actually. When there's a lack of hurricanes, they sometimes refer to it as a hurricane drought. Well, last year was the opposite. It was a hyperactive hurricane season. Interesting thing about Lee. Lee equals 22. Same value as eel and Arab. 22, there's not many words that have a value of 22. It's a pretty small number. Well, the Atlantic storm named Lee began his second life as a named storm on Friday, 22nd of September 2017. True. Lee came back from the dead. From a tropical wave emerging off Africa on Wednesday, 13th of September 2017, then to a tropical depression, 14, on Friday the 15th of September. Then Lee went up to Tropical Storm Lee, became Tropical Storm Lee on Saturday the 16th of September. Then back down to Tropical Depression on Sunday 17th of September. Back up to Tropical Storm Lee again on Tuesday the 19th of September. 19, the keystone number. Then back down to a trough on Wednesday the 20th of September. Lee was then considered the remnants of Lee for the next 2 days, and everyone thought that was the end of Lee. Lee's gone, Lee's finished. Then something weird happened. Right at the end of Jose's life, up here, Maria had by this time gone on her rampage to Puerto Rico. Then this little feature of interest popped up. Now Jose is the Spanish name for Joseph. Maria is Mary, who's Lee, the son that came back from the dead on the 22nd. Now Jacob Wetzeling was murdered on the 22nd of October 1989. To the surprise of the National Hurricane Center and weather forecasters, the remnants of Lee reorganized into Tropical Depression Lee at 2100 hours Universal Time, coordinated, on Friday, 22nd of September 2017. So Jake was born on a Friday. Jake Wetzeling was born on a Friday. So was Nathan Breeze. So was their mirror boy, William. Jacob was murdered on the 22nd of October 1989. Tropical Storm Lee was reborn 6 hours later and upgraded to Hurricane Lee early on Sunday, 24th of September. Then it became Category 2 Hurricane Lee on Tuesday, the 26th of September. By the following day, Wednesday, 27th of September, Jake equals 27, Lee had become Major Hurricane Lee, Category 3. Tropical Storm Lee was the status again by the Friday the 29th, and then finally Lee dissipated on Saturday the 30th of September 2017. So here is the image. It's got the dates of the second incarnation of Lee. First life, dead time, second life. Lee's total lifespan was 17 days, including 2 days of dead time between the 20th and the 22nd of September 2017. And you can see on this map here the date when Lee was in his first life. The date there is September 16, and the time is 10:22. Of course it is. So that was Lee, the life of Lee, the life and times of Lee. Lee's total lifespan was 17 days. Jake Wetzeling was born on the 17th, died on 22nd, and was born on Friday the 17th of February 1978. So Lee's total lifespan was 17 days, including 2 days of dead time between the 20th and 22nd of September 2018. The same amount of dead time as somebody else. Steamboat Geyser. Steamboat Geyser is in the Yellowstone National Park. Hurricane Florence. 175, this is a pretty cool number. 17 and 5 add up to 22, you may notice. Hurricane Florence, bad boy in September. The nice, fit, agile boy, naughty William. The mirrored boy, the hot teenage boy, face Jake Wetzeling. Jacob, the relaxed boy, young horseman. And that was Jake on a school camp, actually, in 1989. He was 11. It was before he died. It was the year that he died. A few months before. Wetzeling boy. the major storm. Demon is Ernesto. Painful, Ernesto. Ernesto is deadly. Hurricane Florence. Sleek, Narcissus. The Hot Daffodil Boy. Image of Nathan Breeze. Breeze of Papan Dayan. So the boy who's connected to Jake is Nathan, an Australian boy from Victoria and from the Northern Territory. Hopping Mad equals 103. Serpent, serpent, hurricane, hurricane. Twin hurricanes. Hopping Mad. Jacob Wertling equals 164. Killer. Hopping Mad. Killer. Tower equals 81. Nathan's turning 23 this year, and Nathan was a regular visitor to Darwin. Actually, he kind of half lived in Darwin, half lived in Melbourne. So twin hurricanes, twin serpents. Boy Satan equals 97. Jacob Wertling equals 164. Hopping Mad, Killer, Tower. Nathan Breeze. The Bad Boy, Papan Dayan. Miracle of Papan Dayan. Volcano, Papan Dayan. Notice the yellow sulfur on the ground. Steam. It's an interesting place. Jacob's Bad Eruption. Jakarta in Indonesia. Indonesian Samuel. Inside the volcano. Ring of volcanoes. Steamboat Geyser. And this is in the Yellowstone National Park in the United States. This one erupted 4 times this year after being dormant for a few years. And one of the eruptions was on my birthday, the 27th of April. That was the 3rd eruption. Wednesday, the 22nd of August 2018. This is the date of Jake's twin eruptions for William, his mirror boy, or Nathan's eruption and Jake's eruption, the twin eruptions, or the twin signs, may not be eruptions, signs in nature. So one is 15 days before William's birthday, and the other date is 16 days after William is turning 16. The evil twin dates of William, the bad mirror boy, on either side of his 16th birthday. Wednesday, 22nd of August, and Saturday, 22nd of September, 2018. Oh, and by the way, it's now 10:09 p.m, Saturday, 2nd of June, 2018, in Sydney, Australia. So William is turning 16 on the 6th of the 9th in 2018. The 6th of the 9th. Irwin equals 69. Jake's middle name. Boy Jake Chambers. The Boy in the Dark Tower by Stephen King. Leather Saddle Kid. Reflect the Real Red Rain. Reflect the Real Red Rain. Leather Saddle Kid. Jake. Jacob Wetterling. Wetterling is German surname, means weather child. Nathan Breeze. Breeze, a gentle winds. Papan Dayan. I think the name Papan Dayan means something to do with forging metal, blacksmith, that kind of stuff. Red rain of blood. So what is forged in the fires of hell? Blood of the Child. Kid Daniel. A Bad Boy's Message. Of Evil. Port. Nice Boat. Wrecked, Smashed Up Life. Saturday, the 2nd of June, 2018. Today is 96 days before Thursday, the 6th of September, 2018. 96. The value of Ernesto. Ernesto is the name of the hurricane in Red Rain. The hurricane that kills the twins. Blonde Bad Boy. They are blonde. Daniel and Samuel are blonde, identical twins. Jake Chambers is a blonde boy too, in The Dark Tower, by Stephen King. Jake is 11. The twins are 12. What did I say at the start? 2 11s are 22. 2 12s are 24. Samuel's birthday. William aged 16. The Americans write the 6th of September in that way. And that's when William turns 16. September 6, 2018. Destiny of the boy. Turtle. Steamboat. 6th of September. The Mirror Boy, William, was born on Friday, the 6th of September, 2002. The killer hurricane, Ernesto, devastated the island. O. Discordia. The island's upheaval, tattered remnants. The suffering island, meteorological omen. Red rain of the heavens. The Island Brothers. Daniel and Samuel, age 12. Cute blonde islanders, the feared teenage bad boys. Blonde bad boy islanders. Storm was red rain. A prophecy of red rain. Red hell, Mount Agung. Volcanic eruption was of Mount Agung. A boy of Mount Agung, Bad Boy Jake, knows for certain it is very uplifting warmth of hot Mount Agung. The fire, Mount Papandayan. Dangerous Mount Papandayan. The volcanic twins. The molten twins encouraging each other. As they do. Mount Papandayan. Samuel. Reflection of red rain. Wicked firestorms. Nathan David Breeze. Fire. Physically hurt. William, the bad lava boy. Nathan David Breeze, my bad boys countdown. Bad boy Satan and Joshua. Bad Messiah boy Joshua. His message is true. 9:45 p.m. Have faith, Joshua and Dane. Dane's 10th birthday. Kid's 10th birthday. Name of John Jake Chambers. Blaine is a burning pain. Just ask Nathan. Ask Jake Chambers. Jake's train is coming. June the 19th. Republic of Indonesia. It's a boy's birthday. Stormy birthday. A monster was born. The big weather event. The gusty cold change.
the killer hurricane, freak coastal storm, the superstorm, the super hot boy, warm and sunny day, gracing our shores, reflection, in water. Jacob's photographer, Melissa's encoded message. The boy with amnesia, Phil is unnerving as the survivor. Jacob the mirror boy, mirror prophecy of the identical twin, Samuel's reflection. Daniel is unnerving, Satan and Narcissus. Bad Jake's blooming daffodil. 19 and 7 equals 16. True. But there's something else that I should have put here and I forgot. I will add it. It is the fact that this date today, what is it? Saturday the 2nd of June 2018. Today is 197 days before Sunday, the 16th of December 2018. There, it's added. I've added it. Saturday, 2nd of June 2018. 197 days before Sunday, 16th of December 2018. Another Samuel is turning the same age, 9, on this date. 197 days from today. Samuel's reflection. Samuel's reflection. Mirror prophecy of the identical twin, Samuel's reflection. 197 days from today, it is Sunday, the 16th of December 2018. A reflection of the keystone date, 19th of June. The Welsh flag, a red dragon, yellow daffodils. Some food. Yummy food. Bad equals 7. And red code by Jake. Minnesota. MN Minnesota equals 27. Also 1989 adds up to 27. 1989. 2 sevens are 14. Dead equals 14. Be bad. Today is 14 days before Saturday, the 16th of June 2018. The reflection of Saturday, 19th of June 1999. The keystone date in The Dark Tower by Stephen King. But what I could have added here is that the number we were working on, 197, adds up to 16, and 1 plus 6 equals 7. So that joins them, connects them. So the keystone date is the 19th of June. So now we have a reflection. And it's all joined together. It all connects. Everything connects. There's a lot of symbolism here. As you can see. And it's now 10:20 p.m. on the 2nd of June. Turn 9 on its head and you get 6. We are 96 days away from the Mirror Boy's birthday, William's birthday, is on the 6th of the 9th. We've got two 96s now. The number of days. Twins. Christian equals 101. True equals 64. Weather equals 80. But then so does horny. 80. Jake was 11. 11 times 2 is 22. And we are 22 days away from the date I was referring to at the start. Sunday, 24th of June, 2018. Samuel's 9th birthday. Guess where Samuel was born? Jakarta, Indonesia. Samuel, the name of one of the twins in Red Rain. '96, 96. Twins. Twins. Christian, 101. Of course, there's heaps of things that equal 101. One of them is Anna Plains. Anna Plains is up here on the Pilbara coast. And that's actually where Cyclone Kelvin made landfall on Jake's birthday. It was right on Anna Plains. Tropical Cyclone Kelvin. Jake had a pet dog named Marcus. That was the name of a cyclone that went over Darwin. Like I said. And Canberra's getting weather that we don't normally get in June. Usually we don't get up to 15 in June. If we do, it's rare. And this June we're seeing 16, so that's a bit weird. So yeah, it is 10:23 p.m. Nathan Breeze is turning 23 this year on the 24th of November, which is 22 days before the date that we finished on. Saturday 16th of June 2018 is 22 days after Nathan's birthday, which is the 24th of November. And that is the twin prophecy of Jacob Wetling and Nathan Breeze. And it's now 10:24 p.m. Saturday 2nd of June 2018. Pretty cool, huh? Now we have two 98s. Symbolic equals 98. And young equals 82. The bad boy equals 82. 13. Nathan's age. 6. The devil's number, as Samuel would say. Turn 6 on its head and you get 9. True. Symbolic, 98. And 9-6, 96. We are 96 days away from William the Mirror Boy's birthday, the 6th of the 9th, the 6th of September. 24. We are 22 days away from Samuel's birthday on the 24th of June. June, the 6th month. Catch ya.